Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 11. The card gets declined.
Your total comes to $36.78.
Put it on my Visa.
There is a problem with your card.
What's wrong with it?
I believe it was declined.
You're kidding me.
Do you have another card I could try?
I only have one card.
Do you have cash, perhaps?
I don't have any cash on me.
You are not going to be able to take these items today.
I'll be back tomorrow.
The total for all these items comes to $36.78.
Take my Visa.
There is something wrong with your card.
What's going on?
Your card was declined.
That can't be right.
Would you like me to try another card?
I don't have another one.
What about cash?
I didn't bring cash with me today.
I'm sorry, but you can't take the items until you can buy them.
I'll come back for them tomorrow.
You owe $36.78.
Here's my Visa card.
I'm sorry, but your card isn't working.
What's the problem?
The machine says your card was declined.
It was...
Do you have another card?
That's my only one.
Maybe you can just pay in cash.
No cash today.
I guess you won't be able to purchase these items today.
I'll come tomorrow with cash. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.